Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Haynes, and I thought it might be helpful to have a video on how to log into Microsoft Teams for our first day of summer learning camp for tomorrow. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to open a web browser such as Chrome or Internet Explorer, and then go to www.cvesd.org. When you get there, you will scroll down and go to the student link. When you get to that page, you will go to Office 365, and then it's going to prompt you to log into Office 365. So your username is your student ID number at live.cvesd.org, and then your password is your first initial with a capital, your last initial, your initial of your last name, and then your birth date, your full birth date. So we're going to hit sign in, and when you sign in, you should see your name over in the corner, and then we're going to go to Teams. Now, you may have already downloaded Teams to your computer. I have, and so you can always just go to Teams on your computer or your device if you have logged in. But this is from the internet. So click on Teams, and then in Teams, you need to make sure you're on the button that says Teams, and then it's not on Activity or any of the other ones, so make sure it's on Teams. When it comes to Teams, you're going to see the sun, and it's second grade summer learning camp. So we're going to click on that one, and all we have to do, there's no scheduled meetings. All we're going to do is go up to this right-hand side that says Meet, and then we will meet. And then you can see, and then we'll press the button that says Meet Now. Now remember, when you come on, you're going to turn off your microphone, but keep your video on so that I can see you. And that is how we are going to be meeting, and then I'll explain a few other things to you after that. And then we would hit leave. So, I'm super excited, and I will see you in the morning.